coffee, a couple of treats, and chilling with our good friends over here. We're gonna head out of town, see what we can find. The adventure begins.
Should be a good day of sightseeing. There's a few points you've dropped on the map. Check some stuff out. Could be cool. It's a little chilly.
You guys ready? Come on.
Alright, time to free the motorcycles from their resting place for the night. Through the courtyard. Through the reception.
Our time in San Cristobal was a great reminder that Mexico is a diverse country made up of many cultures and geographic locations. Everywhere we go, we leave with a solid realization that we've just scratched the surface. As much as we wish we could stay longer, we have places to be and people to see.
We found this spot online while researching about places to visit around San Cristobal. There are many naturally beautiful places to visit in this region. Good morning, guys. It's breakfast time. We are at the El Arcotet Ecotourism Park. It's stunning. Just outside of town, and we're gonna walk around here a little bit before we hit the road again. We're having tamales for breakfast. This place is stunning. Just walking across this rickety suspension bridge. Guys, there's our Buddhist tree here. They got a zip line that goes across the way. We're gonna go look for the caves. Walking through the pine forest. Little squirrel. Just riding through the mountains, up on mountains. We are at Agua Azul, which is blue water, bunch of waterfalls, and we're gonna look around. But we're also grabbing food. We'll make it to the big falls in a minute. Alright guys, this is so cool. It's a chocolate tree! Well, cacao tree where chocolate comes from.
These are over here.
See those little... That is cacao! Cacao fruit. This is Jose, guys. He came to hang out with us. We're just chilling. Playing on our phones. I'm Pop. We're trying to have a conversation. It's going okay. Scott's showing the kids some videos of bikes. They're pretty excited.
The next morning, after a night spent in an overpriced hotel, we get back on our bikes and head out for today's adventures. We had planned on camping in Agua Azul, but the lack of a proper campground, the area being wet, and an abundance of bugs changed our mind.
Good morning and welcome to Friday.
We are in Misol, which is another waterfall. Quick jaunt up the road from Agua Azul, probably about 20-30 km. We're gonna have breakfast, check out the waterfalls. It's nice, it's early, so it doesn't look like there's too many people here yet, which is awesome.
And absolutely gorgeous jungle, and apparently we're on a Mayan route, which is, I guess, a pilgrimage way that the Aboriginals would make their way down to major centers.
Yeah, pretty sweet. Then we'll head off to Palenque, where we'll spend tonight. Check out some ruins there. Should be good.
The Misol waterfall is 35 meters or 115 feet high. Coming down into a great pool for swimming, surrounded by lush jungles, it was quite a sight. We walked behind the falls along a slippery walkway and got a good misting. We then explored the entrance of a 20-meter cave where a river rushes through.
Look at these cool jungle flowers. Hopefully you guys can hear this. This is the sound of howler monkeys. Honestly, it sounds like a T-Rex and that we're in Jurassic Park. We haven't seen any here, but the noises are coming from every direction. Right, might be a little hard to see, but there are some in that tree there.
In this episode, we leave the picturesque San Cristobal and head over the mountains for the Yucatan, stopping to visit two very different waterfalls before ending up in the town of Palenque.